I used to get so angry with my ex-wife, furious, spitting nails. I would just sit there and think about all the stuff she wasn't doing. She wasn't giving me any attention. Communication had stopped. She wasn't showing any affection. She was not supporting me the way I thought your wife should support you. And that's what I was focused on, what she was not doing. One little problem. I never stopped one time to ask the harder question. What was I doing that made her not want to do that? I was so focused on her. I never asked if I was listening. Did I hear her? Was I being kind? I never asked if I was making her feel appreciated. Never asked if I was creating an environment for her to be able to want to be close to me. I just kept a mental and physical scorecard of everything she was doing wrong. And baby, I could chapter and verse repeat that. Completely let the anger blind me to what I was doing. Before anybody gets upset, I'm not saying all your failed relationships are your fault. Some relationships end because of betrayal. Sometimes after a period of time you grow apart. Some end because somebody just says, I'm done. What I am saying is the only person you can fix is yourself. You can spend years trying to change somebody else, or you can spend the same energy becoming the kind of person your partner wants to be around and do the shit you want them to do. I didn't get that for 10 years after my divorce. Responsibility sucks. If all you're doing is this, you gotta look in the mirror. When my marriage failed, 10 years later, I eventually realized even if I wasn't responsible for her infidelity and all of it, what I was responsible for was all the things that I did. That's when I started to heal, and that's when my growth began. No excuses. I own that shit. If you're starting over like me, type I'm in, hit the follow button so I can see you doing it with me. Most people don't need more information. You have the information. We're all smart. Some of us need accountability. If you're serious about changing your health, finances, your mindset, your relationship, and your life, email me at erichobaugh@gmail.com or hit me with an inbox here. I help people. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.